Greetings people. They want to show you one of the biggest and best projects we have done. So today we are at China Square. China Square waterfront current. So kuna hizi solution zimekuja and it's quite massive and big of the kind of solutions tumekuwa tukifanya. Nowadays I can tell you by a matter of fact, you can run a full go down, you can run a full town, you can run a full premise kama hii ya hapa current with solar on without even relying on KPLC. Or even combining both ziwak pamoja. So let me get you inside and show you what we have done for them. It's a very big project na mtaiona from Megatank. Very good batteries. I think you have seen us use them in the systems zenye tuko nazo. So come in China Square waterfront current. Here is the system. They are setting it up kwa ndio kila kitu iko kwa. Can be able to see how massive it is. Storage hapa ni 215 kilowatts na inverter nayo is a massive 100 kilowatt to fully support everything here. So connection yote ni series because these are high voltage lithium battery. So series yote, communication cable, kila kitu ishafanyika poa. Here they are. Na it also have a display panel, you can be able to see it here. Then here is the way inverter is connected. We'll connect one of the engineers and then ataeleza more as we see the system.
So for this system, it is a 100 kilowatt inverter with a 215 kilowatt hour lithium battery. As you'll be able to see, we have arranged the batteries EV. They are all in series. So we have like 20 batteries. From here is about 8, first cabinet. Second cabinet, we have another 8. And then the very last cabinet, we have 4 units. So that makes 20 pieces, so up to 215 kilowatt hour. And then from the batteries, we have what we call the EMS board of the system.
Sure.
We also have what we call a charge controller, which is rated GSP 950. And then we also have now the PCS, this is the inverter side, which is a 100 kilowatt inverter. And then there's a changeover. So this is a 3-phase system. Then we'll be able to integrate with a generator or with a PV. From there, you can be able now to see which side you're going to supply. You can either put it as what we call an ESS, or you can do it as a backup, or you can also do it as a mini grid. So those are different variable applications you'll be able to do with it. So depending on the programming, you can be able to set it to work in that kind of mode. So for this small, we have supplied this unit, and we are going to add another grid side unit, inverter, which is a Solis inverter. Is around will take around 50 kilowatt solar panel. Yeah, and then later on to be able to be powered on this side. So it's going to be a very massive system installed already.
Sure.
And it's just a work in progress, almost to be completed. So we're just waiting for the solar panels to come and land the system, and then output from it we supply to the consumer unit, be able to supply them all as they require.
Good. So you have been able to see the kind of systems you are talking about. Hii ni system unaweza kurania your whole go down. Uko na shule, uko na apartment. Like we have had the solution. But back then, we had that challenge of batteries. Like if you had to support such kind of institution, you will need so many batteries. But with the arrival of lithium batteries, those zinatumika kwa electric cars, they are the same one on our phones. They are the same one in electric motorbikes. So you can be able to pile them as many as possible as you can see in a small space and then run your entire premises regardless. Hata sakaja wache kupeleka mbio. City Hall inaweza run kitu kama hiyo. So you are good to go. Sora all the way.